In today's tutorial, we are going to learn this.
It was perfect. Perfect.
Create a frame using the Frame tool and choose a desktop. Import a galaxy image and adjust it. Follow the same with the Earth image. Turn off this image layer for a while. Select a frame tool and draw a rectangle like this. Add text into the frame using the text tool. With the help of the downward arrow from the keyboard, hide this text within the frame. Reveal the Earth image layer. Draw a circle like this using the ellipse tool. Add a layer blur effect to the circle. Duplicate this circle by pressing Ctrl+D. Duplicate the whole frame by pressing Ctrl+D. Change the position of both circles. Now, rotate and resize the Earth image. Reveal the text layer using the upward arrow key on the keyboard. Switch to prototype and carefully follow interaction details to achieve a parallax effect.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो